Everyone, welcome back to another video. And if you know this YouTuber called Slogo, what has happened to the new series that was happening? Like, wait, let me show it. The Cherry Island video, the last video of the Cherry Island. Wait, why is it not here? Yeah, 2 weeks. Oh, I mean, what? 4 weeks ago. This was 4 weeks ago. They are posting other videos, but why did they not continue on? Like, look. There hasn't been any other video. Have they forgotten or have they abandoned it? Or are they just creating new videos like the old videos they did? They are just creating it back, and after they will probably go back to the series, but we still don't know. Logo, if you're watching this, what happened to the island? Oh, I mean series. Like, it was fun.
The Lotte Heart Smart has Redipol. Proven to help.
Stupid ads. Yes. So, yeah. So, if you guys know anything about what happened to the Cherry Island series, please let me know. And that's all for today's video. I wish I can make it a little bit longer, but I don't have anything to say. I'm only just making this video because there was no update. Like, this was 4 weeks ago.
Kill you again.
Oh, perfect timing. Like, look, 4 weeks ago. And the other videos they're making, the other videos they're making are, this is a new video, this one. GTA, they done that before. What the? Okay. So basically, yeah. Wait, they haven't done this before. I think so. No, they probably have. So the Rocket League was 4 years ago, and there's a new video. They haven't done this video before, so maybe they're trying to get new videos to show us. Get new things to show us, or just simply, or they just are catching up to the old videos they were posting, because their old videos was fun to watch. So they are probably just trying to do something about the videos or something. So Slogo, if you're watching this, or you'll probably not, because yeah, please tell me what happened to the series of Cherry Island.